Hey love, it's Angelica. Welcome or welcome back. And today I'm talking about how I grew my hair so fast. Can you believe this is 3 weeks worth of growth? Look at this. Like, wow, my hair has never got so messy so fast. I usually keep my braids in for 5 weeks, but I'm gonna have to take them out later on today because as you can see, it's starting to just all mesh together. So if you want to know exactly what I did to grow my hair fast, stay tuned all the way to the end. The first thing I did was wash my hair consistently, at least once a week. Now, every time I washed my hair, I either used Olaplex, the Bond Maintenance Shampoo, or I used my Pureology Strength Cure. Now, of course, I am just sharing what I use. You can use whatever your hair likes. You don't have to use anything I'm recommending. But if you want to buy them, I will link everything in the description box below because everyone knows we buy everything from Amazon. So, having a clean and healthy scalp is the basis for all healthy hair growth. And the reason is you are getting off any dirt that may be blocking your follicles. I know there's a myth out there somewhere that dirty hair grows faster. It does not. Clean your hair, and if you feel like your hair is getting dry or you don't want to wash your hair with a shampoo, at least use a co-wash because it will make a big difference to at least get the dirt off your scalp. That is the most important thing. When your hair is in braids, it is impossible to get it as clean as it would be if it was out because of course you can run the shampoo down the length of your hair and brush out any tangles or anything like that. But when your hair is in braids, the best you can do is just aim for a clean scalp and also just get some shampoo on the ends of your braids. Now, speaking of ends, I did moisturize my hair at least 3 to 4 times a week. This is highly essential because it is very easy to forget about our hair when it's in cornrows because you can just put on a hat or do what I do and just like flip the ends up, tie them, and you forgot about it. Your hair is not like brushing against you. Your hair is not really getting any flakes. You're not really feeling into the dryness or anything like that. So it is easy to forget. So what I do is I easily moisturize my cornrows. I actually have a video, it's a couple years old now, I think, about how I moisturize my braids and cornrows, but it is very easy. I usually just spray my hair down with this infinity spray bottle, and then I'll go ahead and use whatever moisturizer I'm using at the moment and just kind of water it down a little bit, rub it between my palms or put it in a spray bottle mixed with water. This is the one I've been using the most. You guys know I love this. This is my favorite moisturizer. It's the Moisture Miracle leave-in cream. It is very affordable. Whenever I buy it from Amazon, I buy the 3-pack because it just makes sense. As you can see, it is almost done. I love this stuff. But as soon as this is done, I do have 2 more because I did get the 3-pack. So I just rub this in my palms, put it all through my hair from the front all the way to the back. Then I put a little bit of extra on my ends, and that's it. It literally takes me 5 minutes or less. And if I do not have time to moisturize my hair, I will at least moisturize my ends either with this same moisturizer or I will use Amika's The Closer, which is instant repair. This is specifically just for ends. So it seems like a tiny bottle and you're like, okay, it is kind of expensive, but you literally need like 1 pump, the smallest amount, and just put it on your ends. And my ends are thriving. Let me just show you my ends. Hopefully you can see that. Can you see? Even though they're frizzy, you cannot see like any splits. They look amazing for dirty hair. I mean, look at that. So, I have been making sure that even if I feel a little lazy on some days to moisturize my hair, I will at least go in and do my ends. Now, the next tip is one I feel that I do not see enough in hair growth videos, and it actually attributes a lot to hair growth. And this is working out and eating healthy. Now, if you watched a previous video I posted not too long ago, I am on a fitness journey. I know I say I've been on a fitness journey literally for like my whole life, but I'm on like a serious fitness journey. Like by the end of the year, you will not recognize me, okay? I will be snatched to the gods. Anyway, besides that, when you're working out and focusing on your nutrition, a side effect is hair growth. Why is that? It's because when your entire body is running at maximum function, you'll have extra nutrients that can go to things like your hair and your nails because your hair is not a vital organ. So if your body is lacking some oxygen, if it's lacking protein, it's going to go to the places that need it the most, like the muscles in your legs, in your butt, because that's the biggest muscle. It's going to spread to all the rest of the places in your body. And then if there's some left over, then it's going to go to your hair, and it's going to go to your skin and your nails. Well, skin is actually vital, so it will go to your skin, but it won't look like amazing. It's just going to do, the bare minimum. And we don't want the bare minimum. We want the best. So I have been eating really healthy. I've been eating more protein. I've been eating more veggies. I have been drinking tons of water, at least a minimum of two bottles of water a day. And I have been working out 6 days a week. So about 4 days I'm lifting heavy weights, and on the other 2 days I'm doing yoga and I'm doing some cardio. So I actually just came back from the gym today before I filmed this video. And when your body is working so well and your metabolism is improving, it will really, really affect your hair. And I have definitely seen the benefits. Now, I only do cardio around once a week, like heavy cardio, once to twice a week. So I can't attribute the frizziness of my hair to be like, okay, this is actually just because I've been washing my hair and doing cardio. It definitely contributes, because if you don't wash your hair at all, your hair will obviously have less frizz because it will be dry. And yeah, so some of this frizziness is because of washing the hair and going to the gym. It's not like 100% growth, but a lot of it is growth. And I can show you, well, it's not really moisturized, but if I do this, you can see that, like, this is 3 weeks. 3 weeks of growth. So some of it is just natural loosening, of course, because it's been 3 weeks. But a lot of it is also growth, and I can really tell, even with my edges, like my hairline has become so full, and that is a great sign. It is an amazing sign, okay? So I'm very happy about this. So really, when you're looking into all the things that you want to do to grow your hair, really pay attention to your diet and nutrition. And included in my diet and nutrition, I have continued to take the supplements I've been taking since, I don't know, a couple months. I have a whole video about them as well. I guess I can link it in the eye right there so you can check it out. I do take iron, a multivitamin, vitamin C on the days where I feel like I don't have enough vitamin C, so I skip on the days. And then I take 2 collagen pills every single day, and a hair, skin, and nails vitamin from Nature's Bounty. Again, everything will be listed in the description box below. And I think that has also helped, because sometimes, especially if you're a picky eater like me, you might just have a few little nutrients that you're missing out that you don't even realize it. And these will actually help, but they cannot replace a bad diet. If you're eating like crap and you're taking vitamins on the side, they will help, but they will not replace what you're supposed to be doing. So focus on your food first, and then add supplements on the side if you need them or your doctor approves them. The next thing I have been incorporating is scalp massages at least 3 times a week. Now, the reason why I love scalp massages is because you can do them anywhere. You can do it while you're watching TV. You can do it in the mirror. I personally love to do scalp massages at night because it is very relaxing. It relieves tension. Honestly, even just thinking about it is relieving my tension right now. So it's really good. It helps you fall asleep. It is stimulating to your scalp, to your follicles. And scalp massages are just a great thing all around if you are doing them properly, okay? You have to do the scalp massages properly. I also have a video too on this, so you can just scroll around on my channel. You'll find a full instructional video. So you don't want to be having any hairs on your fingers. You don't want to be experiencing any breakage or damage from your scalp massages. If you are, it means you are doing it wrong, okay? So I have been trying my best to do it, even if it means it's just 5 minutes. And if I can't do it in the evening, then I will do it even in the morning. Now, one thing you can do to maximize the benefits of getting a scalp massage or giving yourself a scalp massage is using an oil, which leads me to my next point. I was oiling my hair at least 3 times a week. So every time I would do a scalp massage, I would also oil my hair. And if it was like a quick 2-minute massage, 5-minute massage, maybe I'm rushing in the morning, then it would still go along with an oil. And I would oil my scalp at least 3 times a week. And when I would get closer to my wash day, like let's say I'm washing my hair on Sunday, let's say around Thursday, I would even put some of that oil on my ends, because I know on the weekend I will wash it off and there's not going to be a barrier between my moisturizer and my hair. If I was not going to wash my hair, I would not put oil on my actual hair, only on my scalp. So the oil I was using is this one. And I actually have a video about it. I think I named it the ultimate rosemary oil or something like that. Anyway, it's not just rosemary oil, it has moringa, it has a bunch of other essential oils in it, and it is an extremely powerful oil, and I'm definitely enjoying the benefits. I can see the benefits. This is an amazing oil. It is so good for hair growth, for stimulating the scalp, for treating any bacteria, any irritation, and treating dandruff, which is something that you really need when your hair is in braids, because even though you're washing your hair, it is still more prone to getting like some kind of irritation or dandruff just because you're not like thoroughly washing it, because some of your hair is kind of locked up. And if you want to know how to make this oil, I actually have a video all about it, and you can check it right here to see all the benefits, how to make it, how to use it, and let me know if you like it as well. Hit the subscribe button right down there if you didn't in the beginning, or just click my face right there. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.